Hey everyone, I'm back with part 5 of the Coles steam engine build. This video is the machining of the crankshaft. This is just part 1. There'll probably be a couple parts to this. The kit did not come with the crankshaft material, and so I milled a piece of barstock down and then lined it out for what I needed. I center punched the ends for the center of the crankshaft so I could turn it between centers. And here you see it just after the bandsaw where I removed most of the excess material. And I've already taken a few passes here, just checking on it to make sure everything's going good. I'm using a carbide insert for the first passes, getting it down to a size where I'm comfortable using high-speed steel for finishing passes. The video is also sped up, and so what you're seeing is a faster rendition than I was actually using, faster speed than I was actually using. Getting close here. Here I'm working on the outside of the crank web, getting it cleaned up. I also needed to leave a shoulder on that the bearings would ride on. You can also see I milled a plug for the center of the crank web, and that's just super glued in there, and it held up well. Just so the tailstock didn't distort the crankshaft in any way. Worked out pretty good. Using high-speed steel for my finishing passes here. It just puts a better finish on everything, so it's easier to polish. Just using some emery cloth for final cleanup here. Still a little oil on there, so it helps polish it a little better. Get this flipped over, and the next video will be machining the other side.